Hello friends, welcome to Diya Se Diye Food Recipes. Today I am making sweet and sour mango achari rice. In a pan heat a quarter cup cooking oil at medium to high flame. Add 1 small sliced onion. Keep stirring till it gets golden. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and fry. Once both onion and garlic turns golden brown, add homemade achari masala. After few seconds, add a quarter cup water and put 1 Nor Yakhni cube into it. After 1 minute add 300 milliliters water, and as the water starts boiling, add 250 grams already soaked rice that were soaked for half an hour. Cook for 5 minutes and add 3 tablespoons mango tidbits sweet and sour achar. Cook for 2 minutes with open pan and then steam cook for 10 minutes at low flame. Tasty mango achari rice is ready to serve. If you enjoyed my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.